told me I was due for a network upgrade. Hey, Daniel.
Hey, Susan.
So excited. Puzzle of Kings premiere tonight at 8. When's that upgrade happening? Middle of the night?
Oh, no, we don't have maintenance windows anymore. It's tonight at 8. Why? You won't even know it's happening.
I think I handled it quite well. I didn't even notice the difference. My network was on the whole time, and no one came out to my house. Wow. Man, those guys at Anycom must be really working hard.
Hey, shouldn't we be,
Nope.
We don't have to...
Nope.